Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, we will move to the lesson.
Let us learn English of Standard 5th, and name of the lesson is Write Your Own Poem. Dear children, here today we will try to write our own poem. Yes, all of us love to sing a song. We all love to recite a poem. Correct? From the poem, we can express our thoughts, our likes, our dislikes, our views, etc. Yes, dear children, we will follow 2 to 3 different simple methods and we will try to make our own poem. Okay? First, we will go through some easy poems. See here. First one, Jake the snake really loves to shake, and so he shook the door from his cage like a shady crook found mummy in range. Yes, okay, one more, see here. 1, 2, sky so blue. 3, 4, the birds want more. 5, 6, watch clouds drift. 7, 8, the moon is late. You can observe this poem carefully, then you will come to know some easiest way. See here, 2 blue, 4 more, and 8 late. What this? What are they? Very good. These are rhyming pairs, isn't it? They used here rhyming pairs to write the poem. The poem writer is called as poet. Means today we are going to become a poet, isn't it? See one more here. My brother Max, he sure is fast, runs far from home, meets a hungry eel looking for a meal. Wasn't long before Max ran back home. See, he has written something in this poem. Okay, like a small story, isn't it? Okay, we will study about how to make and how to write our own poem in different methods. Shall we proceed? Okay. Now, dear children, here to write our own poem, first we have to set some rhyming words. Okay, this is the first method. Write a set of rhyming words. See here, this girl like you, she is going to set some rhyming words. You know that the meaning of the rhyming words. Rhyming words are nothing but words that sound similar. Isn't it? Okay, let us observe what she writes here. Okay, she has taken a rhyming word here, light. Okay, then night, light, night, sight, might, tonight. Yes, these rhyming words she has written now. Light, night, sight, might, tonight. Yes, all these words they rhyme with each other. Okay, now what she will do now? She will make sentences or meaningful phrase by using these rhyming words to write a little simple poem. Okay? How she will arrange these sentences prepared and how she will write the poem we will go through. Okay? Now see here. Starlight, star bright. First star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. See, these rhyming words she used and she made small phrases or sentence and she arranged them in proper way. Okay, again we will go through. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Yes, you also can write like these simple poems at the beginning. Okay, then it will become useful for you and then you can write a big poems. Okay, we will go through the second method. Think of something that you like very much. Yes, dear children, we like so many things, we dislike so many things. Here what we have to do before writing poem, we have to think of something that we like. Okay, here you can see a boy. He likes, he's thinking about his liked thing. Yes, he likes a rabbit, a little rabbit. Now what to do now? He thought about the rabbit. Then he has to collect some words that relate to rabbit. For example, run. Rabbit runs. Correct? Then fun. Yes, it gives us fun. And then about rabbit, what to write? Hop. It hops. It runs. Correct? Next, it jump. Yes, different movements we can write here. Then as white as snow. Yes, we can write any words that describes the liked thing. Here it is rabbit. He has written so many words and by using these words we can write our own poem. Okay? Yes, here you can use the adjectives, simple words, adverbs, comparisons, etc. And we have, by using these adjectives, adverbs, etc., we have to make simple lines or sentences, or we can make a phrases too. And then afterwards we have to arrange them according to the order. Then our poem will become ready. Okay? Now we will go through the poem written by this boy using these words. You can say the adjectives. Okay? See here. Hop and stop. He gave the title Hop and Stop. Okay, we will go through the poem. The first little rabbit went hop, hop, hop. I said to the first rabbit, stop, stop, stop. So nice, na? Very simple. The second little rabbit went run, run, run. I said to the second rabbit, fun, fun, fun. The third little rabbit went thump, thump, thump. I said to the third rabbit, jump, jump, jump. Yes, like this you can continue the poem. Very simple poem. Here hop, stop. Again he used rhyming words. Run, fun. Thump, jump. Got this, children? Like this we can make very simple poems. Once again we will go through this. The first little rabbit went hop, hop, hop. I said to the first rabbit, stop, stop, stop. The second little rabbit went run, run, run. I said to the second rabbit, fun, fun, fun. The third little rabbit went thump, thump, thump. I said to the third rabbit, jump, jump, jump. Like this you can continue. Fourth little rabbit, fifth little rabbit. You can take that one up to 10th little rabbit. Isn't it? You can add anything here. Okay, got this? Had fun? Nice. This is the second method of writing poem, that is, think of something that you like very much and write about that. Okay. One more example we will take for the same type. Yeah, a girl, she thinks about, yes, can you guess? Yes, she thinks about ice cream. See, ice cream and cone. Now we will see what all words she write first about the ice cream. Ice cream is sweet. Ice cream is sticky. Yes, correct. Ice cream is delicious. Very good. Ice cream is my favorite dish. Yes, here like this you also have to write some describing words which relate to the object that you have selected. Okay, now we will go through the poem written by this Sonu. The heading or the title she gave is Ice Cream. Ice cream in a bowl. Ice cream in a cone. Yes, you can see here in the bowl, in the cone. She has written the same thing and she made the poem. Ice cream in a bowl. Ice cream in a cone. Ice cream any way I want. Yes. Ice cream any way I want. As long as it's my own. Ice cream can be sticky. Ice cream can be sweet. Ice cream is delicious. It's my very favorite treat. Wow, so nice poem. Simple and sweet poem. Isn't it like ice cream? Okay, again we will go through this. Ice cream in a bowl, ice cream in a cone. Ice cream any way I want as long as it's my own. Ice cream can be sticky, ice cream can be sweet. Ice cream is delicious. It's my very favorite treat. See here, she also used some rhyming pairs, isn't it? Yes, like that only you have to write the poem of a thing that you like very much. Are you going to try? If you like biscuits, if you like cake, then write some words about these things and try to make the sentences or phrases randomly. Then afterwards arrange them in proper manner. Like that you will get a simple, nice poem. Now here, third method is observe things in your surroundings. You have to carefully observe the things in your surroundings, and again you have to write short but good descriptions of what you see, hear, smell, feel, etc. You have to use your sensory organs for this. Then arrange your observations in a short lines written one below the other in the form of a poem. Very simple. Here we will go through. First we will see this. Your girl is there. What she observed? Yes, she observed flowers, isn't it? Okay. Now she has to write some description or some describing words, isn't it? Okay, we will watch what she will write. What she has written? Lovely. Yes, lovely flowers. She used here adverb. Garden. Yes, we can see the flowers in the garden. Now, everywhere. Yes, you can see flowers everywhere. Correct. Now, what is written? Grow. Yes, plants grow. So we get flowers. What is that? Blooming. Very good. Flowers bloom. Isn't it? Like this. She has written so many words. She used adverbs and nouns. Everything she used. Grow is a verb, right? Blooming, verb. She used descriptive words here. Correct? Now she will try to write the poem. We will go through her poem. Flowers. She gave heading flowers because she observed flowers in the surrounding and she wanted to write poem on flowers. Flowers, flowers everywhere. In the garden, in my hair. In the walls, at the store. On the table, on the door. What a lovely time of year. Flowers blooming, bringing cheer. Wow, so nice poem, isn't it? Yes, we will go through once again along with these pictures. Observe these pictures. Flowers, flowers everywhere. This is on the table, correct? At the door and here in my hair. And lovely flowers. And these flowers we can see here, they are blooming and bringing cheer, bringing happiness, isn't it? See, so beautiful flowers, they are blooming. Very nice. Correct? Okay, we will go through once again. Beautiful poem written by that girl. Okay. Flowers, flowers everywhere. In the garden, in my hair. In the walls, at the store. On the table, on the door. What a lovely time of year. Flowers blooming, bringing cheer. Very good. Children, you too try to write poem like this. Okay? You only will become very, very happy after going through your poem. One more poem on plant and flower. See, little seed. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down come the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Very nice, isn't it? Here also we can see rhyming pairs. Correct? Okay, we will go through once again. Little seed. I plant a little seed in the ground. Out comes the sun big and round. Down come the raindrops soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. You can use any rhythm for this. Okay? Next thing is, here girl. Yes, she observes a cat in her surrounding. She likes the cat. Now we will go through what she will write about the cat. First, she will describe the cat in some words. Isn't it? We know that. Cat, rat. Okay, she is using the rhyming pairs here. Hat, yes. Cat, rat, hat. Chat, chatting. You know that. Then mat. Okay, 4 words she has taken to write about cat in her poem because she likes cat, isn't it? Okay, we will go through. Areva, One more picture is there. Here we can see a cat chasing rat. Isn't it? We will go through her poem. Look, there is a cat. Very simple phrase, very simple sentence. Look, there is a cat. Is it chasing rat? She is asking question here. Maybe looking for a hat. No, it wants to chat. Hello there, Mr. Kitty Cat. So simple and beautiful poem written by this girl, isn't it? You also can write like this. See, look, there is a cat. Is it chasing rat? Maybe looking for a hat. No, it wants to chat. Hello there, Mr. Kitty Cat. Yes, she used all these rhyming pairs in her poem. One more poem for you. Life is like a play. By reading like these poems, by reciting like these poems, you can easily get the idea to write your own poem. So I am giving so many examples of poems to you. Okay? Life is like a play. Life is like a play. Sometimes it turns grey. So I want to say, is there a way I can quit this play? But I still have joy to spray, so I start to pray. Let happiness forever stay. My dreams will come true one day. See, so many rhyming pairs are there here. Play, grey. Say, way. Play, spray. Pray, stay. Here also you can take day. Right? So many rhyming pairs are there at the end of each line. Okay? Once again, we will go through this poem. Life is like a play. Sometimes it turns grey. So I want to say, is there a way I can quit this play? But I still have joy to spray. So I start to pray. Let happiness forever stay. My dreams will come true one day. Yes, dear children, you can use any rhythm to recite this, whatever you like. Okay? Here one more poem. Tuesday's child is full of grace. Here each day is mentioned and some phrases are added with each day. Like this also you can make. See here, Monday's child is fair of face. Tuesday's child is full of grace. Wednesday's child is full of O. Thursday's child has far to go. Friday's child is loving and giving. Saturday's child works hard for a living. And the child born on Sunday is always fond of holidays. And the child born on Sunday is always fond of holidays. So, funny poem, isn't it? Now we will go through the fourth method. Yes, here we can see a boy writing something. He is very happy. We can see his face. By his face, we can say that he is very happy. Yes, dear children, how do you feel when you are very happy? Write something about this in your notebook. What do you feel? What do you want to say while you are happy, that you write in your book when you have become happy? Second thing is, see this boy. Okay, how do you feel when you are very angry? See this boy's face is very angry. Okay, you try to write some words about your mood or about what you want to say when you become angry in your book. Okay, the next is, how do you feel when you are very sad? Sometimes you become very sad because of some unhealthy conversations, or mother scolds you, father scolds you, or something happens and you become sad. At that time, how you feel, you write in a paper. And what you want to tell to others, that also you write in a paper. And what you have to do, then try to write it down and arrange it in the form of a poem. Okay, first you write the feelings and then you write what you want to tell at that moment. Okay, and keep. Afterwards, you arrange these phrases or sentences properly to make a poem. Got this? You have to try all these, all four methods, and whichever you want to follow, that you can follow. Now here I will help you to write a poem. Okay, here you can see a picture of train, moving train. Okay, I will give you some words, describing words I will give you. You observe these words along with the picture and try to write a poem. Simple poem you can write, a little poem you can write. Okay, try to write the poem on train. I hope you all like train, right? Okay, see here some words. Run, train runs. Okay, and here forest. You can take the word whistle. Track, it runs on the track. Mountain, it crosses the mountains. Puff, it makes the sound puff, 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 isn't it? Stream, it crosses the stream, it crosses the bridge. Like here I gave so many words regarding the train. Here you have to use some words from these and make a phrase or a sentence. And afterwards arrange them in a proper manner. Over, our poem is ready to recite. Got this? You have to try this, okay? Now here my two children, what they are saying? Friends, we are writing our own poem. Come and join us. They are asking you to join them because they are writing their own poem and they are sure that you will join these children. Okay? Bye-bye.
Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.